Welcome. Today we will learn how to provide the right conditions for the seeds you have sowed to germinate and grow into healthy plants. We will also cover how to care for the germinating seeds. A greenhouse, also called glasshouse, is a building designed for the protection of tender or out-of-season plants against excessive cold or heat. Germination is the sprouting of a seed, spore, or other reproductive body, usually after a period of dormancy. Now that you know about germination, we must try to provide the right conditions for germination. Let us help our seeds germinate and grow. To start, we must first ensure that the greenhouse temperature is maintained within the recommended range for your seeds to germinate. Inspect the seed packet and look for plant-specific guidelines for temperature requirements. Did you read the plant-specific guidelines? Now turn towards your right to check the heat and temperature of the greenhouse. Locate the electric board in the greenhouse, which controls the heat and lighting. If required, you can use the board to adjust the heat and the lighting conducive for your saplings. In this simulation, the heat and the lighting are already in optimal condition. To monitor the temperature of the greenhouse, you may need to use the thermometer on a regular basis. Some seeds germinate well in a proper well-lit area while a few other seeds germinate well in dark. Ensure that the germinating seeds receive the recommended amount of light per day, as specified on the seed packet or plant-specific guidelines. Water is the source of all life. So, you must check the moisture level of the soil in your garden pots regularly. Let us now water our saplings to maintain the moisture levels. Now grab the spray bottle and spray water gently over the saplings on the two pots, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. You just saved the saplings. Please keep in mind that you must avoid overwatering, as it can lead to rotting of the seeds or seedlings. If the soil feels dry, water the pots as needed to maintain the appropriate moisture level. Adding labels or markers help you keep track of the different plant varieties and identify them as they grow. Let us take labels or markers from the label box. Now place the labels or markers in each garden pot near the saplings or sown seeds.